म्हजी गोवा संपूर्ण यात्रा 26 नोव्हेंबराक पुराय जातली। गोंयांतल्या चडशा गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतल्या लोकांच्यो समस्या आनी तांचे प्रश्न जाणून घेतले। ही गोंय भोंवडी सोंपल्या उपरांत हांव मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन लोकांच्या समस्या विशीं सविस्तर चर्चा करतलो, अशें गोंयचो राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लैन सांगलें। गोंय संपूर्ण यात्रे खाला बिरेस्तारा मडगांवच्या दामबाबाक तशेंच नावेलीच्या रोझरी इगर्जेक भेट दिल्या उपरांत तो उलयतालो। गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांनी भोंवडी करपी हो भारतांतलो पयलो राज्यपाल जाणें दर एका गांवांतल्या लोकांचे प्रश्न आनी समस्या जाणून घेतले, अशें मडगांवचो आमदार दिगंबर कामत सांगता।
So I was traveling for visiting all the villages. Tomorrow I am going to complete it. Its validity functions will be on 26th. So after tomorrow, Chief Minister's conference I am visiting Panchayats there, and I am completing that to a very great extent. Thereafter, some selected areas again I want to go, and 26th this will be over. First time in India, a governor is visiting all the villages and interacting with all the local body representatives elected by the people. So in a way, that is good for me as well as Goa. And in addition to that, I can say that it is beneficial for a nation also.
पहिलो गव्हर्नर ताणें सगळे गोंयभर दौरो केला, सगळे गोंय काना कोपऱ्यांनी विजीट केल्या, लोकां कडेन इंटरेक्शन केलां आनी बारीक लोकांचें कितें आसा तें समजून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो। म्हाका दिसता इज द फर्स्ट गव्हर्नर हू हॅज हेल्प पीपल वीथ क्रॉनीक किडनी डायलिसीस प्रॉब्लेम्स, क्रॉनीक म्हणजे ऑल्सो कॅन्सर. So first time people realize that governor can also save their lives. So this has done immensely across the state, irrespective of anything. So this is the one new face of the governor which we have been seeing for the last so many years. So I think Goan people are thankful to the governor for having visited all of them. Practically he has covered up each and every village. And in addition to that, he has first time people are expecting something from the government.